Men are expected to sacrifice everything, but receive nothing in return. I was just about to go to bed and I was thinking about the plight of men, the plight of man. There's a dark truth, and it's not a hidden truth. It's a well-known, documented truth that we've been passed along by older men. If you have older men around you that's been counseling you, mentors. But we kind of don't realize how bad it is until you actually get into the situation, right? A lot of the wisdom that's passed down to us, we don't appreciate it until we actually experience it and go through it. It's weird. As a man, you will be villainized, be called all kinds of names, shamed by other men, women, for being selfish. Like, it's like society, other men, and women just vilify selfishness from men at every turn. And like I'm not here to go to the extremes, guys. I'm not saying every man should be extremely selfish and extremely self-interest. You need to, conform and do certain things to help out the group, and which is going to be better for everybody. But what I'm saying is, what's wrong with little 3, 4, 5% of the time that a man is being selfish to do something that's actually beneficial to him, that actually makes him happy, that actually makes him feel some sense of fulfillment? We can't even get the 5% of appreciation. Let's get into this. As a man, and I'm sure all you guys have gone through this, you go through a period in life where you feel like you've been used. Think about it. You're taught to sacrifice for literally everything. You're taught to sacrifice for the job. You're not a company man. You're not doing what you're supposed to. You're always bucking authority. When in actuality, you're saying what needs to be said. Excuse me, you're trying to help the business by telling the truth, but nobody wants the truth about anything. Humankind despises the truth. They will hate you for waking them up out of their slumber that they've been sleeping in a bed of lies. Sacrifice for the job, even though the job might be paying you very little, but you have to stay there. Stay in your little role for 10 years, right? Sacrifice for the group, even if the group doesn't help you, right? The group helps the group, but if you get on bad times, it doesn't help you, right? Sacrifice for family. And yeah, we're supposed to sacrifice for family, but isn't it interesting how women and the children that you birth, and I don't even have children, but I just observe this way too much. Women and the children that are birthed barely sacrifice anything, barely even get you anything, right? They want the world, but won't do anything to help you, but won't help you to do anything. You're sacrificing for the country. Then you realize that your common Americans don't respect your service. They disrespect and talk mess about the veterans. Then you begin to realize, you come to the state of mind of where, damn, I'm taught to sacrifice, but nobody is really appreciative of the sacrifice. I'm sacrificing for other people and other things, but if I need them to sacrifice something for me, they're not willing to do that. This sounds like a lopsided exchange. I feel used. Then you get to the breaking point. This is where a lot of men get to the breaking point and want to delete themselves. They've been sacrificing for years with nothing in return, nothing to show for. No rewards, no acceptance, no appreciation. Just, hey, you sacrificed and that's it. Don't be selfish. It's not an equal exchange. This breaking point is where most men delete themselves. It's extremely unfortunate that we get to this state, but life can be so cold and harsh that sometimes you don't want to deal with it. And I'm not saying you guys should find that way out. I don't think you should find that way out. I'm just telling the truth. I'm just saying what a lot of you feel inside, or maybe you guys can't articulate on a video, or can't tell your wife, or can't tell your manager, or can't tell your kids. To be truthfully honest, I'm just gonna say, a lot of men, once they come to this realization, they come up with coping mechanisms. Some of them, the self-destructive, some of them maybe not as destructive, right? But you come up with it to cope nonetheless, because it's the only way to deal with this harsh and cold world. This is why anybody that knows me personally, this is why I disappear from social media. This is why I don't hit people up and just disappear. It's not that I don't care about you. It's not the fact that I don't think about you guys. That's just how I cope with the cold world. I have to get away from it because a lot of this stuff doesn't make any sense. A lot of this stuff is wrong. And it's very hard to find solutions for it, right? But the best solution that you can do is go where you're celebrated and not where you're tolerated, which means you're gonna have to uproot where you are most times. You're gonna have to change environments, change the people that you're around, right? When you're meeting new people, you're gonna have to vet them properly, which means what? You're gonna have to test them. So if you have the heart capacity to deal with consistent disappointment to the point to where you filter out all the people that are full of it and find the people that are actually real and authentic, then that's the best solution that I could provide for you in this video. But your heart can only take so much. You only have so much energy to search for good quality people. Right? And I'm not trying to give that as an excuse as to why you can't get out of what you're dealing with, but I'm just keeping it, just telling it like it is, right? The people around you should respect your sacrifices. You should feel honored. You should feel appreciated. You should be awarded. But a lot of times in this society, we come up with the opposite. A lot of men feel used. A lot of men feel underappreciated. They feel, which is another reason why a lot of men just check out completely and don't care about anything. So at some point, society and the people around it are going to have to start appreciating men, because there's nothing good going to come out of sacrificing for everybody and getting nothing in return. Every man has a breaking point to what he's willing to deal with and tolerate. But that's my video. I just want to get this video out before I go to sleep. You guys have a good day, good week. I will see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.